Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Dr. Marlene Owen, Certified Manifestation Coach and co-owner of Mu Management Services Inc. So before we begin, I want to first start off by saying a huge thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and help us grow together. In today's video, we'll be looking into step 4 of our manifestation series, Let It Be. This step is all about surrendering, trusting the process, and allowing the universe to work its magic. So let's get started. My friends, I'm so excited to share this powerful step with you today. It's all about finding peace and letting go. So if you're ready to join me on this journey, let's do it together. My friends, as I've mentioned before, step 4 is a crucial part of the manifestation process. It's when you release any resistance, doubt, or attachment to the outcome and simply allow the universe to deliver what's meant for you. One of the most effective ways to practice Let It Be is through journaling. Take a few minutes each day to write down your desires, your dreams, and your goals. And then, with intention, release them into the universe. Because by writing down your intentions and letting them go, you're affirming your trust in the universe's ability to manifest them. Remember, it's all about aligning your energy with what you want to attract. Another powerful practice in step 4 is gratitude, because expressing gratitude for what you already have creates a positive energy that opens doors to abundance. Each day, take a moment to appreciate the blessings in your life. This could be as simply as acknowledging the sunshine, having a delicious meal, or the love of your family and friends. In this way, gratitude helps shift your focus from lack to abundance. It helps you to attract more of what you appreciate in your life. And finally, one of the most important aspects of step 4 is trusting the process. Have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor, even if things don't happen exactly as you expect or on your preferred timeline. My friends, trust in the process means surrendering control and embracing the flow of life. Remember, the universe has its own divine timing and it's always working for your highest good. So as we conclude step 4, remember to let go of control, practice gratitude, and trust the universe's wisdom. Thank you for joining me today on this journey of manifestation for Let It Be. It is a game changer and I can't wait to hear about your experiences with it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more manifestation tips and techniques. And remember, you have the power to create the life of your dreams. Until next time, my friends, see you in the next video. Love and light. Bye for now.